Oh, Mark, look at this street. It is so beautiful here.
Yes, Emma, I love this street too. Paris is amazing.
The little cafes look so nice, don't they?
Mmm, yes, and the flowers are so pretty.
I really want to see the Eiffel Tower today.
Me too. Let's keep walking down this street.
Okay, let's walk a little more, Mark.
Look at that tall building over there.
Wow, it is beautiful. I love walking in Paris.
This city is full of surprises, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Let's continue our walk.
Sounds good. Let's go straight ahead.
Look, Mark, a beautiful little fountain.
Wow, that is very pretty, Emma.
I love small details like this in Paris.
Me too. This street is so peaceful.
Let's take a moment to enjoy the view.
Good idea. It is so calm here.
I feel so happy right now.
Me too, Emma. This is a perfect day.
Should we keep walking toward the tower?
Yes, let's walk straight down this street.
Okay, let's go. I am excited.
Me too. Let's continue walking together.
Mark, this street looks a little different.
Yes, you're right. I don't remember this street.
Maybe we turned the wrong way.
Let's keep walking. Maybe it is fine.
Okay, but I don't see the tower anymore.
Don't worry, Emma. We will find it.
I hope so. This street is very quiet.
Yes, very quiet. No tourists here.
Should we go straight or turn somewhere?
Let's go straight for now, Emma.
Okay, I feel a little confused, Mark.
Me too, a little. Let's keep walking.
Mark, wait. Where exactly are we?
I am not sure, Emma.
I think we are lost, Mark.
Oh no, I think you're right. We are lost.
This is a new street for us.
Yes, I don't recognize this place at all.
Don't worry, we can find our way back.
Yes, let's stay calm and think.
Maybe we should check a map.
Good idea. I have a map on my phone.
Perfect. Let's look at your phone, Mark.
Okay, wait 1 second, Emma. Okay, Emma, let me open the map.
Great. Let's see where we are.
1 second, the map is loading.
Take your time, Mark. No rush.
Okay, here it is. Let me check our street.
Good. Can you find the Eiffel Tower?
Yes, I see it. It's not too far.
Wonderful. Which way do we go?
We need to walk straight, then turn.
Okay, sounds simple enough.
Wait, my phone screen just went dark.
What happened, Mark? Is everything okay?
Oh no, my phone battery is dead.
Oh no, what do we do now, Mark?
I don't know. The screen is completely black.
Try turning it on again, Mark.
I already tried. Nothing happens.
This is not good.
I'm sorry, Emma. The battery is empty.
It's okay, Mark. It's not your fault.
Now we don't have a map at all.
Don't worry, we can find another way.
You are right. Let's think of something.
Mark, look. There is no one on this street.
Yes, it's very quiet here, Emma.
We really need some help now.
I agree. Let's look for someone.
Maybe someone lives on this street.
Yes, let's walk a little further.
Okay, let's keep our eyes open.
I see a small shop over there.
Good. Maybe someone is inside.
Let's walk closer and check, Emma.
Okay, I hope someone can help us.
Me too. Let's go slowly.
Mark, I don't see anyone here at all.
Me neither. This is a bit stressful.
Let's stay calm, Mark. We will be fine.
You are right, Emma. Let's not worry too much.
I'm sure someone will pass by soon.
Yes, let's wait here for a moment.
Look, Mark. I see someone walking.
Really? Where, Emma?
Over there, near the corner.
Oh, yes, I see them too.
Let's go and ask for directions.
Good idea. Let's walk over there now.
Excuse me, sir. Can you help us, please?
Of course. What do you need help with? We are a little lost, actually. Oh, don't worry. Where do you want to go?
We want to go to the Eiffel Tower.
Ah, the Eiffel Tower. It's not too far. Really? That's great to hear. Yes, but let me think of the best way.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Let me explain the directions. We are listening carefully. Okay, first, let's talk about the metro station. Okay, do you see that street over there?
Yes, I can see it clearly.
Good. That street leads to the metro station. First, you need to walk straight ahead. Okay, straight ahead. What comes next? Walk straight for 2 minutes. You will see a small bakery on the corner.
A bakery? That sounds easy to find.
When you reach the bakery, stop there. Now, at the bakery, you turn left.
Turn left at the bakery. Okay.
After turning left, walk a little more.
How far do we walk after that?
Just a short distance, maybe 1 minute, you will see a small park on your right. Great. We will look for the park. After the park, you turn right.
Turn right after the park. Okay.
Then you will see the metro station. Straight, then left, then right. Got it. Exactly. You explained it perfectly.
Thank you so much for your help.
You are very welcome. Enjoy your walk.
Thank you again for your help, sir.
You are very welcome. Have a wonderful day. We really appreciate your kindness. It was my pleasure to help you both.
We hope to see you again someday.
Maybe. Enjoy the Eiffel Tower, please. We will. Thank you so much again. Safe travels and enjoy your trip.
Goodbye. Thank you so much.
Goodbye and good luck finding your way. Okay, Emma, let's follow the directions now.
Yes, let's go. Straight, left, then right.
Okay, Emma, we are walking straight now.
Yes, I see the bakery ahead of us.
Great, that means we are going the right way.
It smells like fresh bread here.
Yes, it smells delicious, doesn't it?
Now we need to turn left, remember?
Yes, let's turn left right here.
Okay, turning left now, Mark.
Good. I think I see the park ahead.
Yes, there's the small park, just like he said.
Perfect. Now we need to turn right.
Let's turn right and find the metro station. Look, Mark, we found the metro station.
Yes, just like the local told us.
Now, we need to buy our tickets.
Okay, let me use this ticket machine.
Do you need any help, Mark?
No, I think I understand it. One moment.
Take your time. I will wait here.
Okay, I bought 2 tickets for us.
Wonderful. Let's go through together.
Yes, hold your ticket like this, Emma.
Got it. I am ready to go now.
Great, let's take the metro together.
Mark, look. I can see the Eiffel Tower.
Wow, it's right there in front of us.
It's so big and so beautiful.
I can't believe we finally made it.
I am so happy right now, Mark.
Me too, Emma. This is amazing.
All that walking was worth it.
Yes, definitely worth it. Completely.
Let's walk closer to the tower now.
Yes, let's go see it up close.
I am so excited, Mark.
Me too. Let's go, Emma.
Mark, we finally made it here.
Yes, we did. Emma, I'm so happy.
It was a long walk, but it was worth it.
Definitely worth it. Look how beautiful it is.
I will always remember this adventure.
Me too, Emma. It was a wonderful day.
Thank you for staying calm with me.
Thank you for being so patient too.
I'm so glad we asked for directions.
Me too. It helped us so much.
Let's enjoy this beautiful view together.
Yes, let's enjoy it together, Emma.
Thank you for watching this story with me today. Like this video to support the channel. Subscribe for more slow English stories and daily English practice.